Hello everyone, I'm Juhi John and I'm a business analyst at OneClick. So today I'll be showing you this automation which we have done, which will fetch the flights which have been delayed and it will give an alert message to the customers. So as you know that there are agencies who has a lot of data and it is very difficult for them to manage data of their customers where the flight detail is live. So, for an example, if a customer is there, so we as a travel terminus agency having a lot of data, we can't check into each details and see if there is any delay in the flight or any such regarding details. But in this automation workflow, what we have done, we have fetched this real-time APIs where we'll see that all this listing are of the travel terminus agencies and these are the customer listing. So we'll see the flight number, departure time, and such details. Why this workflow is helpful? It gives a real-time alerts to the customers, so it won't be a hassy situation for customers if their travel flight detail has been delayed. It is very time efficient, so not all the agencies have to go and check one by one regarding the flight details, as it will automatically fetch the details and show us the alert messages. And it also improves the customer experiences as it's very quick and efficient. So these are the main features for which this automation is very good as a workflow. So now you can see these are the flight details. So here, if there is a delay, I will get an alert in this system. So let's see. So here you can see that this second flight from Ahmedabad to Singapore is been delayed. So I got this delayed message as a status and now it is showing me the arrival time and arrival date. So now as a customer, if this flight has been delayed, I'll get a message saying that dear passenger, this is my flight detail and from Ahmedabad to Singapore on this particular date the flight has been delayed and also the updated departure time has been listed, that is at 5:40 a.m. So at this 5:40 to 1:35 p.m. So this way we can see that all the delayed flights are been notified to the customer, and then all such hassle is been done in a very nice way and customer need to worry regarding their delayed flight, as all such details will be alerted them in their email messages or SMS messages. So this was the workflow which we have created for notifying the customer regarding the flight delays and alert messages. Thank you. Hopeful this workflow was understandable.